This is the correct way to fold clothes. Neat and won't easily mess up. 1. Folding method for short down jackets. 2. Folding method for shirts. 3. Folding method for sweaters that protects the collar. 4. Folding method for hoodies. 5. Folding method for women's base layers.
It's a new channel and we need your love.
6. Folding method for sweaters. 7. Folding method for leggings. 8. Folding method for full autumn clothing sets. 9. Folding method for thick coats. 10. Folding method for jeans. 11. Folding method for long cotton coats.